Hi everyone, All Designs here, and this is the finale for the Asuka 1/35th scale M4 Composite Sherman. Now, I know we only had two videos on this guy here, but I was too far along in the build on this one, and the M4 is kind of built the same way, so I didn't want to bore you with the same old, same old. However, the jungle scene was a lot of fun on this one here, and I'm going to try not to lose focus because the camera really wants to focus on the bamboo trees. So if it kind of focuses in and out, I'm sorry, but that's just the way it might work here today. Now, obviously in the last video, we didn't have the bamboo trees up, nor did we have the figure or the 50 cal, so we're going to focus on that today. However, I'm going to show you the guys that we used. Now, that's the set that I have. We used that guy right there. We just had to tweak him a little bit with the hands, and obviously we didn't put the grease gun in his hand. We manipulated it so he's working on the 50 cal, so we'll get to that in a second. And if you're wondering how I got the bamboo trees, it's that set right here. I think you get about 50 of them, so I didn't use a lot, obviously, because I didn't want to, hide the tank, right? I wanted it to, kind of give you the idea that it's kind of going through a little bit of a bamboo forest kind of thing. And obviously the tank is knocked down some, the barrel knocked down one. So we're going to take a little tour here. I really like the Composite Sherman. I think the look of the tank is pretty cool. And if you're wondering where the lucky strikes are, it's in his hand. Because you can change a 50 cal while grabbing a pack of cigarettes, right? Kind of struggled to figure out how I was going to put a pack of cigs. I was thinking of taking the wrapper, maybe putting it in there like it was crumpled up and stuff, but nah. So with the Asuka models and the Tasca ones, I'm not too sure with the Tamiya ones, I can't remember, but the way you build your 50 cals is you can have have it open or closed as if you're changing out the ammo, as you can see. So I thought that would be kind of a cool thing, especially when I seen the guy's hand. I thought, okay, I can probably manipulate the arms a little bit, and that's exactly what I did. Obviously, this is like USMC, so the Marines are here in the Pacific, so that's what this one is, United States Marine Corps. So there we go, have them changing out the ammo. So this one was a lot of fun. And there we go, there's another bamboo right there. You can see probably it's a little dark under there, but there's another tree underneath there. And how I did the trees is I just kind of drilled a little bit of a hole, put some super glue on the tree, and stuck it in. It was that simple. And obviously the barrel, because it was kind of turned, knocked that one down. Just to give it a little more life. So this one was a lot of fun. Like I said, I really like the look of the Composite Sherman. So there we go, another one in the books. We're not going to stop with the Shermans, obviously. I got a ton of them, and we're going to keep going until we have a lot of variants complete. I think the sky's the limit with this one, but again, I got a lot of Shermans to do, and we'll see where they go. I don't want to spoil the surprise where you're going to find out where all my Sherman models go, but really busy here on the channel. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and let me know what you think of this one. Thanks, guys. Bye.